Welcome to Digital Literacy Simplified. In today's video, we'll look at the best practices for working from home. On the personal side, I've had the opportunity to work from home on many occasions. Throughout my career, I've worked for a variety of tech firms which offer remote work. I worked for a contact center as a trainer coach during the 2020 lockdowns. I was remotely monitoring and coaching team members from multiple locations. So, working remotely can definitely work if the right processes and follow up are put in place. So let's look at a few work from home tips for success. A designated work area creates a work mindset and helps minimize household distractions. If you work in an office now, you know what it's like to have your own workspace. People like to put up pictures, decorate, and try to make it a comfortable workspace for them. Do the same at home. Make it your space. If possible, set up your home workspace so it's separate from the rest of your living space. To reduce distractions, you want to have your workspace away from living areas so you can communicate effectively with colleagues and customers. Establish your routine like you would at the office. Start and end the workday at consistent times to create structure and make it easier to transition out of work mode. Stick to your regular routine as much as possible, but don't stress if there are distractions. They're bound to happen in your home workspace. You definitely need structure to your day when you're working from home. Create to do lists, checklists, and add reminders to your calendar. Set clear daily and weekly goals and priorities and measure them. These provide a sense of purpose and help you control your workday. At the end of each day, take a look at what you've completed and did you hit your daily goals. Be sure to make a plan for the next day. Try not to make your days longer than normal. Take breaks, have your lunch, try to finish up your day at the normal time. Be sure your technology is up to date and you have access to technical support to assist if you have tech issues. Be sure your contact list is up to date. Add key contact details, including phone, email, instant messaging, social media info, and any other information to help you stay in touch with your colleagues and your customers. Know the best way to reach your contacts, how and when they can be reached. Be thoughtful of people's time and stick to business hours. To stay focused, you should have a separate device for work. Turn off your personal phone ringer and notifications and only check on breaks and lunch. A high speed internet connection is essential. There's nothing worse than trying to send or download a business document over a slow connection. A multifunction printer, scan, copy device is recommended. Some customers may require information to be sent over fax. So we live in a digital world, but if something is important or you need details to complete a task, use the phone. Email and text messages can lead to delays in response times. So if you've worked in an office, you may have taken public transit or parked your car and walked some of the way to work. That doesn't happen when you work from home. It's important to add some physical activity to your day. Stand up and stretch, get out for a walk on your lunch break, try to add some steps to your day. Too much screen time is not good. Your eyes are important. Look away from your screen occasionally and refocus your eyes to help reduce eye strain. Although you're home, dress like you're at the office. Changing out of your PJs into your work clothes can create a mental shift and help you get into a professional mindset. So, in summary, set up a dedicated workspace to minimize distractions. Set boundaries with household members. Establish a routine with goals and objectives. It's important to maintain productivity and work life balance. Take your regular scheduled breaks, especially lunch, and use your time wisely to stay on track and avoid longer hours. So I hope this video will help you be successful when you're working from home. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for how-to videos, and thanks for watching.